So you guys can get your stockings. You may get your stockings. Alright guys, go ahead and get your stockings.
So, your stockings.
Wait, what? Alpha's right?
Where's the Mary?
What's the Wait, which one is God? Because Santa was mine.
Alright, find a spot. Find a spot.
Chocolate. This one's not mine. What is that? What in the world did he get? What is that? No, mine was
That's Destiny's stocking.
Mary? That wasn't Mary. Mine wasn't the Mary. This was mine.
Huh.
True.
I thought that was mine.
Well, you guys have to switch.
Take one off the girls.
No.
Where's my stocking?
Mine.
I got the big one. Give me that. Pass me that junk.
Daddy, here you go. Mommy's gonna stop the thing in here.
Oh, you got some Milano cookies. Let me get one of them.
No. Julie's
Here's the cotton cane. More cotton cane.
It couldn't fit, so.
Don't start eating. Just look what's in your stocking and then put it apart.
That's a
And then you guys can
And look,
move
she
on.
got this mirror.
What?
It was a mirror.
Chocolates.
What's in Daddy's stocking?
I got a lot.
Ooh, all that goodies in Daddy's stocking. Wow.
Doggy.
You really want me to lose 20 pounds and you give me all this
Look
nice?
what I got. Jackson.
There's a lot of stuff in that. Ooh, what are those?
Chocolates and Tic Tacs. Just my breakfast. I know.
That has a lot of goodies in
And
it.
toe warmers.
And toe warmers. Those are from Destiny.
Ah, that's from me.
Thank you, baby.
Yo, never mind.
Awesome.
Jackson, did you figure out all what's in your stocking?
He's taking it one by one.
Alright, we'll come back to the stockings in a bit. Alright, so you guys gonna get one present to open each first. I will tell you guys in a second. Can I have that one right there in the front? That's Jackson.
Here you go, buddy.
So here goes Jackson. Yes, it's
Yes,
your
you
first
may.
present.
First, let's start here.
Open it. Open it.
So, Juliana's first present.
What's that thing?
Like a beast.
Okay, so Jordan's first gift
Open like a beast.
is
Open like a beast. Small.
What do you mean, why is it so small? Be grateful.
Okay.
Next year you won't get anything at all. Not even
How
that.
you gonna rip that?
So, Daddy's first gift.
Daddy, open like a beast. That's broke.
For work.
My turn. And you're gonna see your next gift.
Oh, okay.
My turn. Like that.
Juliana, you ready for your last and final gift?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Hang on, Jack. You're next. Here you go.
Is that my present, Mommy? Mommy. Grace.
Grace.
Mommy. Here.
Huh?
Mommy. Mommy.
Go. Go, Papa, go. What do you say? Thank you. What do you say?
Jordan.
Jordan? Jason?
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank
Daddy?
you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome, sweetie.
I love you.
I love you too. Stuff up the top?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Kiss him.
It's
Sit
so
down.
huge.
Daddy. What?
Of course the box doesn't even have anything on it.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, sunshine. So, I am going to fast forward this day. So, I have, why are you guys in my kitchen?
I have to get my water.
So, I am making
Mommy.
Christmas dinner
Mommy.
because my in-laws are coming over.
Mommy.
Yes, honey? Do you have to pee? Go and pee. Go and pee. Go and pee before you need anything. You need your cup? Ask Sissy. Sissy, can you get his cup and rinse it out, please? So I'm making curry goat. Woo!
The bathroom first, Jack.
I'm making curry goat right here. And
You sure?
oxtail. So I have my oxtail going, and I'm doing sorrel and rice and peas, cabbage with carrots, a whole bunch of other stuff. I'll show you guys once it's all done and complete. And my black cake is finished and in the refrigerator chilling. So I need to take those out and let them like rest off a bit. And yeah, just need to hurry this up. So Merry Christmas, everyone, and I hope everyone had a lovely Christmas and you got everything that you wanted or desired. And if you didn't get anything, just know that God loves you, and that's all that matters. So I'll talk to you guys later. I've been like really busy that I forgot I was vlogging today, and I was like, oh crap. So this is what I got for Christmas. A pink food processor, because that's, why is my face so shiny? That is what I asked my husband for Christmas. And I asked him for some shoe that looked like Crocs, and I didn't expect him to actually get me Crocs because I'm not a name brand kind of person. I'll wear whatever. I saw them at the thrift store, and they had like the little socks and the little lining thing, and I
Looking for a pair from the thrift store. So I thought, my husband was gonna go to the thrift store. Excuse me. I thought my husband was going to go to the thrift store and get me a pair of the shoe that I saw there that I like, so I could just, push my foot in and go. But no, he got me these. And according to him, he said he ordered pink. People, this ain't no pink. This is Barney purple. This is Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination. Yeah, this is Barney purple. But don't get me wrong, I love them. I love the color. But he said he ordered pink. This ain't pink. But I love the color. And I'm very appreciative of the fact that he got me anything. He didn't have to give me anything, so I'm appreciative of the fact that he got me this. And my food processor. And this year we had said that we weren't gonna buy each other anything. We were gonna save. Yes. Yes, you may change the channel. We weren't gonna buy each other anything, and we weren't gonna spend any money because we are moving at the in the middle of next year. We are moving, and we are planning to purchase a home. So buying unnecessary things that we don't really need, like material things that we don't really need, is, you know, uncalled for. So we both had, you know, a couple of $100 for our budget for Christmas, and yeah, I got him what he wanted, and he got me what I asked for. I didn't expect it, but he somehow surprised me with it, and I'm grateful that I'm able to, you know, receive. And I'm also grateful that I have a husband that is considerate of my feelings, or I wouldn't even say considerate. It's just the fact that that's just how he is, you know. He's very, he will listen to you talk, he will take note, and then when you least expect it, he will surprise you. So that's the thing, because I didn't think my husband got me anything, because yesterday when I came home back from shopping for him, he was sleeping in the bed, and I was like, I didn't see you doing no shopping whatsoever. There ain't no boxes that came to our house, there's no parcel, no nothing, no message to come pick up anything at our rental office, no nothing. So I'm like, wait a minute, this man ain't getting me anything for real, and I went out there in the rain, and I went, there go Jason in the back, and I went and got you something, but you ain't gave me nothing. You just up in here sleeping. You just, no, but I was, I didn't really care, because even when we came back home, because I opened the Crocs at his mom, even though we came back home and I was, you know, everyone was opening their gift, I didn't feel any kind of way that nothing was under the tree for me. I didn't care, because for me, Christmas is all about the children and giving to other people that are in need. So I didn't really, you know, and then the kids gave me their little stuff that they wrapped up. Destiny gave me a lip gloss that she got out of my makeup thing. So she took my makeup and re-gifted it to me. So I am appreciative that she can think outside of the box, because I wouldn't have thought that I need to go inside of someone else's stuff that they have and take it and re-gift it to them. So that was a clever one on her part. So I appreciate her doing that. It makes me realize that I did have that lip gloss and I never used it. So I need to get the using of it. But anyways, guys, I'm going to go. This vlog is getting a little too long. I'm blabbering. I don't have nothing to say. We're going to go see the Christmas lights at a park here, but it rained like there was no tomorrow. I'm sure our little foundation underneath this thing is done washed away. But it rained really, really hard, so I was like, I was not going to take the kids out into that. So we have church tomorrow. I'm really trying to push myself to go to church tomorrow. I really need to push myself to go, because I haven't been feeling like getting out of my house and any of that stuff. So yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna go. I hope you guys had a merry Christmas, and I will see you guys for Monday's vlog, I think. Stuff is not back on schedule as yet, so give me about a week and I'll have things back how it was. So bye guys, thanks for watching, have a good night.